Everybody, today we are going to be making Loloy's pork spare ribs barbecue special. Hope you enjoy it. The night before I had marinated the ribs. I cut them, every 4 ribs, I cut them down. So I got like 4 pieces and marinated it with white wine, soy sauce, and chicken bouillon. Boiled that and put that in half a cup. And these are the ingredients that you need. All you need to do now is just coat it one at a time. Got my adobo seasoning. Got my black pepper. Lemon pepper. You can use real lemon as well. Some garlic salt or garlic pepper. And you could use a Cajun seasoning, and in this instance I'm using the key lime jerk seasoning. Just put it on the grill and just try to even it out, and all the grease and stuff to make it go on by. See what it looks like. You gotta keep on turning it. Don't want it to get too burnt. Woo! Hot doggy. Just like that. Looking good. Whoa. So it pretty much takes a good while to cook. So basically grab yourself a nice glass of water or tea or whatever beverage you like, and just chill out and relax and enjoy this beautiful Florida sun. The pork barbecue spare ribs are done, and this is what they look like. Enjoy.